anytime Jekele is around, you always find a way to disturb me, eh? Sweeping this compound is not my responsibility. When you force me to do it. Nah, I'm tired though, I'm tired, eh? I think he has gone out. Let me go.
Chimo! Chimo!
Hey! What have you done? Are you blind? Hey!
Who kept this broom here? Now look at my leg! My leg!
What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? Are you asking me? You left this hut since morning and you're just coming back.
And you made me sweep this compound, eh? Did I know where you do keep your broom?
At least you shouldn't have kept it here. Now I tripped on it and look at my head. My leg is hot.
Better think of what you tell me and don't use me for an excuse, oh.
Eh? Instead of you to think of what to tell me about her pulse and yet talking about your stupid leg. Don't worry, let me go and call her.
Would you please don't tell her, please? I beg you, don't tell her. Would you please? Would you? Oh, my leg.
Why would I wicked like this? Shape up person, no be human being. Ekene want help, I'm small.
This stupid girl. Oh, not bring this water now. Hmm? Look at me eating without water.
Nne.
You don't want to.
Nne, Aboma is back from the stream.
Tell her to bring the water now. Water. So finally she has decided to come back.
Water.
Tell her to bring the water because I want to drink water.
Nne, she broke the pot. Ite, Obwasa.
She did what?
Obwasa litegi.
Aboma broke my pot.
Yes, Nne.
And the water spilled.
Hey.
Huh?
Nne, she's not even talking about your pot. She's more concerned about her stupid leg that got hurt on the process.
On that poala.
Hey.
Is she mad?
She's mad.
Where is she?
She stays
here. She will pay for this pot, whether she likes it or not.
Let's go.
Ah! What kind of rubbish style is that?
Come.
Ekene,
And
you're here.
yes,
Where's that stupid girl? Where is she?
I just came back and I mistakenly stepped on the pot and it broke.
What did you come to tell me?
Nne, Ndekele did not do it. It's Aboma that did it.
Will you shut up? I broke it. We can always get a new pot, Nne. Obasi.
So you did this?
Yes, I did. And I'm even grateful to the gods that I did not get injured.
Okay. Oh, all right.
Help me pack this thing.
Help you pack what? Eh? It's Aboma that did it.
Will you shut up?
He's just trying to save her.
Okay.
Did you meet Aboma here?
It's okay. So you said you came in, you saw the pot, and then you mistakenly hit your leg on it.
Yes.
And
Nne.
it broke.
I was just I came back to pick something, so I mistakenly stepped on the pot.
So who kept the pot here?
Maybe she did or something.
Nne, you know I don't fetch water, right? Who is the woman that dropped this thing here? She's the one that broke this pot, Nne.
This is my pot. This is my pot that Aboma used to go to the stream with this morning. So, how come? Where is she?
Aboma! I said I broke the pot.
And I believe you. Aboma!
What do you need Aboma for? Eh?
Why did she keep my pot here?
She did not.
I want to know why she kept my pot here. And then, Biaba, what happened to my pot?
When I came back, I was very pressed, so I had to quickly drop the pot here and rush
You
inside the
dropped
bush.
my pot here and you went to... Why did you not urinate on your body? Why did you not urinate on your body? No, sir! I can't promise her! Let me deal with this girl! Let me beat her! This girl she had the effrontery to even lie to me. You broke my pot and you are lying. You are hiding behind the Ekene. Ekene, open kanti bonwa. I want my pot.
I'll buy a new one for you.
So you opened this your mouth and you lied to me. You broke my pot. I can't leave this girl. Hey, so bad you will come back to this house and meet me.
Yes,
She broke my pot.
You persist everything. Imagine on name.
And the Ekene is defending her.
Yes, now.
Habali rotutu Oru anahi akusi Hana poya Obi adi ebere Ite miri nisi Ona gogolo
So can be this scared? I thought you said you are fearless.
I'm always ready for the one who comes before me and not behind me.
Is everything okay with you? You look dull.
I'm fine.
Why are you limping your leg? What's wrong with you? What happened?
I had a minor accident this morning.
Aboma, tell me the truth. I saw you this morning going to far Idumor stream. I followed you. And we managed to come back together. What happened to you?
Well, I had the accident after I got back home.
And where are you going to now?
I'm going to clear the farm they collected calories for.
Like this? This is not good. Anyway, let's go.
Go where?
Let's go to the farm together now.
No. You already helped me this morning. Don't bother, I'll be fine.
Abom, I'm not complaining. See, if two of us do it, it's better and easier. Come, let's go, and I also protect you. You know I'm your guardian now. Anybody that double crosses, I shoot. Anything that looks like white animal, I target and shoot.
Thank you.
It's okay, let's go. As like a gentle, sweet man like me. You're not like me, you're one leg. Beautiful girl, one leg.
I don't have one leg.
Don't worry. I'm here to protect you.
Take. Next, I should give you this food. When you're done, you should come to the backyard and bring the firewood. Please, can you tell me to give me some time to rest? I'm really tired. Take this food first. That farm work was too much. See this one. Take. Who are you deceiving? Do you think we don't know that your stupid lover to come around to help you? Okay, yes, he does, but he didn't come today. That's your business, not mine. Eat that food and come out.
Ujunwa, get me more yam. This one will not be enough.
But you've not started eating that one.
Are you okay? I need more yam. What is that smell? Why do you want to eat spoiled food?
I forgot to warm it this morning. So I can't allow you to waste. I'll eat it.
Why? Ujunwa, why did you not warm this food? Ujua, what do you do in this family? Eh? What do you do aside lazing around? Why can you not be useful to yourself for once?
I don't get it. Eh? As a help or what? This is my father's compound and I must live as a princess I am. And who? Who is she? She just...
Complete that statement and you'll see what will happen to you. Complete it!
It's okay,
Give me, you're not eating.
But I eat it though. If not, I will skin you alive.
Listen, we'll share this one, okay? You and I will eat my own.
I will just eat. I've lost my appetite.
You know, if you do not eat this, I will not eat it either. Let us eat, please. Come on, sit.
I will inform you about this.
Come on, sit. Have you washed your hands? Let's make it you.
Mama, no cry again, your light go shine. Even when the world day wicked, love it still survive with time.
Ndekile came in. Immediately I gave Aboma the spoiled food. And he took it from her and gave her his own food.
And she collected it?
And she collected it in me. I was even cutting her, but she ignored me.
Eh? So all this thing happened today?
Yes, me. And she didn't eat the spoiled food though.
She did not eat it?
She didn't eat it.
Where did you keep the food?
I kept it for you.
Aboma. Hey!
Get up. Oma, I didn't know it was morning already.
It is not yet, man. I woke you up earlier for you to finish what you could not finish yesterday.
But Tini, I did all the chores you asked me to do yesterday.
Did you do this one? Eh? So, Ekene now gave you his food and you collected it. And then you gave my son the spoiled food. As who? Who are you?
I didn't ask him. He was the one that gave it to me.
And you collected it. Why can't you say no?
He insisted.
He insisted. And you too, you collected it. Okwage? Okwage? Finish it. Nwa. Take this food from me and eat it. Take this in. Take it. Finish it. You think you can waste food in my hut? Ngwa. You're covering your nose. Eh? It's smelling. You will eat it. Do you think I'm joking with you? Eat this in place! If you don't you want to throw up. Eh?
I'll force it.
Eh? If you don't eat it, I will force it down your throat. Eat this in! I say eat it. Before I slap your face. Eat it. Eat it.
I knew you had a plan. That's why you asked me to cover the food very well for her to eat. Ekene is not yet to save you.
You think you can come to my hut and waste my food? Did you hear her? Your savior is not around. So eat it! Anompamaezi. Nonsense.
I'll go wine. Eh? No, Mama. That's what you want. Eh? You think Ekene will always save you? No, now you have to think twice. Eh? Eh? You don't want to eat it? See, let me tell you. He will try, but he will always fail. And when he fails, hey, the punishment will be double. Eh? Double for you. Rubbish. This food was fairer earlier. But look at it now. Eh? Rubbish girl.
Do you know what? Just carry this food and go outside. I need to carry it and go outside. This place is smelly. I want to sleep. What is it? You and your sour food, people should go outside, Biko. Go. Nonsense.
Somebody will not sleep in peace in this house.
By this time, is she not supposed to be at Mazuko's farm to clear the farm? Listen, let me tell you, before I go inside that hut and come out here, let it be that you are already at the farm to clear it. And if you're doing that, you do a neat job. If not, you go back there again. Rubbish, you're sleeping. Queen, come and lie down and sleep. Nonsense, you're sleeping.
What kind of nonsense is this? Sorry, oh. I am sorry.
Don't worry, I'll go.
Relax. Wait. Did you sleep here? Why? Listen, I'm going to talk to Nne for you not to go to the farm today. Okay, because right now you look sick. You need a lot of rest.
Don't worry, I'll go, I'll manage. Let me just...
No, Wait. Why are you holding your stomach? Do you feel pain here?
Okay, I'm fine. Let me just go.
Okay, fine. Like I said, let me talk to you, okay? You're not going to the farm, please.
Kenny, I said no, do not help me. Every time you help me and leave, everything worsens. I don't want any trouble.
It's better you listen to her, because the more you talk to Mama, the more you make her...
You're lucky. Very lucky I did not catch you. Fool. Sorry, bro. Sorry.
I think you must have eaten too much yesterday that made you to go inside the bush and be trained up like this. Wait, I hope you didn't eat anything that Ujunwa prepared, because I know Ujunwa cannot cook anything. So this is becoming serious. What did you eat? Yaboma, you have to talk to me. What did you eat?
I ate soured food in the middle of the night.
A soured meal? Yeah. Wait, I hope Nne did not make you do that. What kind of a woman is this? Eh? Okay, you know, we have to leave this place. Sorry. Eh, we have to go. Eh? Let's go so I can take care of you.
I can't go.
Why?
I have to finish clearing up this farm. If not, they will kill me.
Aboma, I think it's better you go and die there than to die in this farm. People will think you killed yourself, because if you continue this clearing, you will die here. Eh?
Don't worry, I'll manage.
I insist. I must go and get 2 herbs. Come, let's go. You can't be here. Let's go. Please. Eh? Let's go and get you some herbs. Eh? Sorry. Don't worry. I'll get the knife. When I come. Eh? This one go. I'll bring this. Eh? Let's go. Sorry.
My stomach.
Sorry. You'll be fine, yeah? Let me get you some herbs. Let's go. Let me get you some herbs. Hey, what kind of a wicked woman is that? Eh? Sorry. Hey.
around the village part. I believe she's still there with him.
So you mean she left the work I asked her to do?
Yes, Ne.
And was following Odeka around the village?
Yes, Ne.
Hey! Where are you coming from? Eh? Negin. Kneel down! You said what happened?
When I got to the farm, I wasn't feeling well. I was throwing up.
You started throwing up?
Yes.
And you stayed at the farm? See this time? Get me stick! Let me kill this girl! Hey!
No, she's lying.
Look at the time this girl is coming back and she has the gun to lie.
I saw her with my kuro eyes. Thank you for coming.
What happened?
I was purging and vomiting that I almost passed out. But Odika was there to help me. He helped me to the healer's hut. The healer gave me some herbs to calm it. And after taking the medication, I felt at ease that I slept off. You can ask Odika. I didn't go anywhere else.
I do not need to ask him. I believe you. But what did you eat that made you feel that way? Aboma, talk to me. What did you eat?
He forced me to eat the soured food at midnight.
What? What?
It's not as if I'm not grateful that you helped me, but every time you do and leave for work, the punishment increases. Please, I don't want any trouble.
Listen, it is my duty to protect you. Father made me promise him before he died.
But you're not always around, so how do you intend to always protect me? Each time you leave, Mother punishes me and I don't want any problems. I don't want that.
It is fine. I am sorry I have not been living up to my expectations. But it is because of my work. I really want to take care of you. I want to protect you. I want to make sure you're not maltreated. I just wish I could. It's fine.
What are you doing?
I think it is the right time to tell you what I've been meaning to tell you. My heart beats for you.
What?
Yes.
Kenny, what are you saying? It's a taboo. We are siblings.
We are not siblings. You are the daughter of my father's best friend.
But you didn't raised me.
Yes. They took you in when your father died. Does that make us siblings?
Even at that, I don't feel comfortable with this.
Listen. I love you. And I wish to make you my wife someday. Please.
Can you please?
Aboma. You've been unusually quiet. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay, it says so. By the way, why are you going to the stream by this time? You're supposed to be resting after what happened to you.
Don't worry about me, I'm fine. I'm even grateful that they didn't send me to go and clear another farmland.
Aboma, what is this new mark on your body?
It's nothing, I'm fine.
Eh? Why can't you come and live with me and my mother in our hut? Instead of allowing Nne and Ujunwa treat you this way. Eh? Why are they always hurting you?
But you know I can't. People will talk.
Let them talk. Let people talk. Is it when they kill you that they will not talk?
You can't say that now. I can't start living with you. Nne is the only mother I know. And her hut is the only home I have.
Aboma, see, I care so much about you. I can't even sleep at night. Because I'm always busy thinking of what they're doing to you at every moment. Eh? Please.
Tika, it's okay. Don't worry about me. I'm fine. I promise. Ekene, he's always trying to protect me.
Let him do more. He's not doing more. Let him stop his mother and his sister from maltreating you. Eh? He's not doing his best.
See the way you are just protecting me and always caring about me. You know you will make a good husband to a beautiful lady someday.
And what if that maiden is you?
Me? How?
Yes.
What are you saying?
Why not you? Why can't that maiden be you?
What are you saying?
Don't you people greet? Eh? Don't you people greet?
Chendeo.
Chendeo.
Are you not Obidia's daughter? Okay?
Yes, I am.
Hey! Hey! Hey, Ipwalabo! Hey! Hey! You are now a grown, beautiful maiden. Is he betrothed to you?
No, nine. He's just my friend.
And why do you ask?
You're asking me why do I ask?
Yes.
I saw a beautiful maiden in my community. Eh? See, please, when you get to, tell Obidia, I greet. You know?
I will, nine.
Nah, Cody.
Cody.
Bye-bye. Nah, I'm going.
Hey.
Why is your face like this? I am not happy. I am not just happy. Do you know I met Ichen Nana on my way coming back from the market?
What did he say?
That rich man, you know he's rich, he has
I know
money.
you very well.
He told me that he was asking if my daughter is betrothed.
Hey!
I said, wait, listen, let me finish.
Okay.
I told him, my daughter, I said, no, she's not betrothed. And he said he would like his son to meet her. I was very happy, you know. So before you know it, I don't even know what was happening. He now said, it was the other one that used to follow that boy around the bush. If she was, hey! I was so annoyed. Why will he ask me of Aboma? Why not you? Why must it be Aboma all the time? Nobody has ever come to ask for your hand in marriage. Nothing.
So he wants Aboma for his son.
He wants Aboma for his son. Even when I now told him, I quickly understand. I told him, no, that yes, that she's been betrothed to that foolish boy. She follows aimlessly around the bush. And he now told me that since she has been betrothed, that she will look for another person.
I was trying to tell him that I have another a daughter, a girl, a very pretty maiden. He said no. That is that particular one that he wanted. But since she's been betrothed, that he's going to look for another person.
It's fine. It's better you go outside and look for another person than Aboma. I don't Aboma will not get married to that family. They are very rich. Let two of us remain here. Let him go outside and look for another person.
Do you even have sense at all? Do you have sense?
I have sense, oh. I have sense. Hey. No, she can't get married in that family. Ban. I must marry a rich man. Okay, Baraba. No, wait now. Look at her. What is even special about her that everyone likes her? Not me. I am more prettier than her. And I even dress better than her. Since she came into this compound, she has taken everything from me. Nam loved her more than me. And even the whole men in this village want her and want her for their sons. Hi. Would you? Thank because you're here.
Please, I need your help.
For what?
Please. I'm very, very pressed. Can you help me watch the food? I'll be right back. Let me get to the bush,
Okay.
Thank you. Please stay very close. It's almost ready.
I will.
Thank you.
Stupid girl. Me, Ujunwa. Help you. You're not serious.
Hey! Chimo! Where is this guy?
Chimone.
Nagidi. Aboma. Is this not the food I asked you to make?
Because I told Uju to help me watch the food.
Uju? So you want to blame it on Uju now?
No.
Is that what you want to do?
Because
Aboma asked you to cook and you left my food to get burnt.
I was pressed.
You are pressed all the time. You are pressed. This guy. Come here. Bieba. Aboma, Bieba. Come and kneel down here. You burnt my food. Kneel down. I said kneel down. Raise your hand. You burnt my food. You went inside the bush to go and do what?
I was pressed.
You are pressed. Every time this girl, you are pressed. What is it? Do you want to kill me in this compound? What did I do to you?
I told you to help me.
I asked you to cook food and you left it to burn and now you want to call Uju into the picture. You are gone. You are gone. Every time you're burning my food. Stupid girl. Come back, get out of this. Come back here. I said come back here. Wicked girl. Look at the way she wasted my food. And now she's calling my daughter Ujunwa.
Aboma, what is it? Why are you staring at me like that? Are you a witch?
Uju, you're very wicked. You're very, very heartless. I begged you. I told you to help me watch over the food. But you left it to get burnt.
As your what? Your servant, right?
No, as my sister.
You're not my sister! You're not my sister. See, let me tell you. It's not because my parents had pity on your stupid soul and brought you to this house. You're not parading yourself as the best maiden in this kingdom. My father loved me and loved me alone. But immediately he entered, he started sharing the love between me and you. I hate you so much. Just get out. Get out! Do you want me to call name? Stupid girl. No, now. I should help you and look after you. As what?
What did you eat? What did you eat? I hope you cleared all the farmland.
Yes, Nne.
Are you all sure you cleared it very well?
Yes, Nne.
Because you have another job. Okay, you have another job. You can leave. Nabai Gabano. Mazi Dalu, Nne Dalu. As if you're a good girl. Thank you, Nne Mbobuna. All the time. Nah, you're gonna what is
it? See, this is a beautiful maiden. This is the kind of maidens I used to handle those days. I was thinking about my past. This is the kind of maidens I enjoy. But I don't know if I can have this one.
And who says you can't have it? Hey, you can have it.
You mean I can have her?
Yes, I send her to you.
My problem is my fourth wife. She's a problem. I cannot bring her into my house.
Who's talking about you marrying her?
Eh?
If you want her, I can send her to you. I'll send her.
Yeah?
Mm.
Yeah? So you can send her to me. Hey! So what will they cost me?
It could plenty cowrie. Just bring money and you have her.
Cowries?
Eh.
You know I'm not afraid of giving her cowries. Okay.
It is not cheap cowries.
No, it's not cheap. Enough now. Enough.
So deep.
I won't even count it. I won't count. You know, I won't count it. I don't need to count it.
You don't have to count it.
I don't have
Bring
to.
everything.
Hey, you mean with these cows I have her?
Now you have her.
Today?
Take her.
Today?
Eh.
Are you bringing her?
She will come.
Hey!
Hey!
Hush! Hush! Hey!
Bring one now.
Don't worry.
Did you not see her waist?
Yes.
Eh?
Not even the way. Took her hand as you know.
That's why you should bring more money.
You see where you're dancing, your earring is on the Look at it. Okay. Let me start going.
Go.
With her?
No, go this way. Go. Start going. Go. I will send that to you. Oh,
over there.
Don't follow her now. Go.
Don't worry. Start going.
Go.
You will follow. Don't do it. It's enough. Go. I don't know why you're stretching your
Aboma! Look, Maya, are you deaf? Eh? Did you not hear me shouting your name?
Sorry, no.
Eh?
No,
When your name is something blocking your ears. Eh?
Sorry, no.
Did you not hear me shouting Aboma, Aboma?
No, no.
Neha, take this abacha. Take it to Ichio's on this farm. He's there.
Am I working on his farm?
No. This time, he will be the one to cultivate on your own farm and harvest it.
I don't have a farm.
And when you get there, you will find out you have one.
Ken.
Go, please. Be fast, hurry up.
Does Aboma have a farm?
Every woman has a farm they cultivate on.
Eh? Is she going to sleep with Ichio's Ondo?
How did you know what cultivation of farm means?
No, I'm not a child anymore now.
Eh.
I'm not a child anymore.
But Aboma is your age mate. How come she didn't know anything?
That's because she's dumb. And I'm smart. Yes, Ne.
You are smart.
Yes.
Odema.
Ne. Why is she sleeping with Ichiozondo?
Ichiozondo told me he likes her. You? Yes, and he gave me many cowries.
Cowries?
He said he wants to, I don't know. You know that man talks a lot. And he will go about, if he finally succeed in having something to do with her, he will go about telling the whole village, and no man, no young reasonable man will want to seek for her hand in marriage.
Cowries? Much? No, you will give me small. You will give me small.
Give you guinea.
But what does that man even say in her?
I don't care. All I know is that I have collected my cowries and plans are aligning, so I don't even know. I've collected my cowries. Nekwanya, this one that your eyes are shining, let me not catch you near my hut.
No.
I don't want to see you in my hut, because if I look for my cowries, I will skin you alive.
Hey!
Nyala. Stop asking questions. Sit down and continue with what she's doing. Cut this thing.
I don't know how to do this thing now.
You don't know how to do anything. You don't know how to do it. Cook, you don't know. Wash plate, you don't know. Sweep the compound, you don't know. What do you even know how to do, this girl?
Hey, Aboma. Who go there? Akula Kalesia. Also the now. Ofago. Oh.
Dika, my good friend. It's been a while.
I'm sorry. You know, I've been busy at my father's farm.
But let me tell you, do you know every minute I spend there, my heart is always with you.
Odika with a sweet mouth.
She says so.
It's good to see you.
It's even better for me. So, where are you going with this basket of food?
They sent me to go give it to Ichiozondo at his farm at the outskirts of the village.
Nne asked you to go and give Mazio Zondo food at his farm.
Yes.
A man with 4 wives. Why are you the one serving him food?
I don't know. She just sent me there. And she also mentioned that he will harvest my farm. But I don't even know what that means.
Wait, Nne mentioned that Ichiozondo will harvest your farm. Okay, no problem. Let's go together. Yeah? Let me accompany you.
No, don't worry, I'm fine. It's not necessary.
I know his farm. It's a very far place. Come, let me go with you.
No. Dika, don't worry. Look, I have to go. You know that place is very far, so I can come back before the sun is down.
Aboma, why are you avoiding working with me?
Dika, it's not as if I'm avoiding working with you. It's just that there is rumor in the village that we are betrothed. And look, people are really misunderstanding our friendship. They don't know that there is nothing going on between us. You're just like a brother to me.
Aboma, I don't understand this. See, I know how many girls my Nne gave birth to. And you are not one of them. Why do you care so much about what people says? People will keep talking. They will talk anything, any day, anytime. Let's go.
No, don't worry. Look, I just want us to be careful. I don't like what they are saying about us.
So, does that mean we are no more friends?
No. You're my very good friend. What I'm saying is, let's mellow down on how people see us together. And that's just what I'm saying.
But if that's what you want, it's okay. I will see you at the village festival.
Okay, I will see you too. Let me go, yeah? You know that place is far.
Don't come.
Hello. Where is it? Ichie! Iche Ozondo. Iche. Nine there.
Uh-huh. There.
My mother asked that I bring you this abacha.
So, you think it's only abacha that we are going to eat?
Nine, what do you mean it's not only abacha that we are going to eat?
You see, I gave your ne enough calories. I gave her enough calories. In fact, I don't know this is what is going on in this village. I blame her for not telling me because I know I have enough calories to spend. Hey!
Nine, I do not understand. But if you paid my name calories for me to come and clear your farm, she didn't tell me. I would have brought my tools. But I believe you have your own tools I can use to clear the farm for you.
See, you don't need to. You have enough tools that I'm looking for. Okwata, we have enough tools. You know what? I have my wrapper. We're going to use it so that we can start doing it immediately. I'll spray it on the ground so that we can do it before the sun comes down. After that, we'll now go back to the village. We'll now go inside the village. You know? So let's just do it. Look, you can't please me easily. I am hard to come. Yes, very, very hard to come. So...
No, Cherry, I don't understand what you're saying. Lay what down? What are you talking about?
What is your problem? What is your problem?
I don't understand. What are you
Why are you wasting my time? Go.
Nine, open my car. Nine, leave me alone. Nine, leave me alone. Nine, leave me alone. I'm going to scream.
Nobody will hear you.
I'm going to scream. Leave me alone.
Nobody will hear you.
That is what you do. You tell me, Anike. What are you doing to her? What are you doing to her? What? Why, Anike?
Leave him.
So this is what you do?
Leave him.
It's okay. It's okay. No, don't shoot him. Allow me to get him.
Don't shoot him.
So this is what you do? Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine. Leave him.
I'll just use inside now. I'll finish inside.
Let's go.
Thank you.
It's okay.
You should allow me to finish this foolish old man. Shameless. Look at his face.
Thank you.
Look at his face.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Rubbish.
Then the gossip came when you came.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't. Sorry.
Let's go.
Foolish old man.
Don't go.
Go. Foolish man. Mama, you wicked.
Hey. Obidia. Really gomo. Obidia, really gomo. Hey.
Aboma, you've been so quiet since we came into the village. Aboma, I'm talking to you.
Didn't they really sell me out to Iche Ozondo? When she said that he's going to harvest my farm, was that what she really meant? Will a mother ever do this to her child?
Aboma, you call her mother, but she's not your mother. And let me ask you, will she ever treat you like this? You see, she can't. Because she doesn't see you like her daughter.
Why is my life filled with so much pain and agony? Why? I pray to the gods every day to take away this pain, but it increases by the day.
Aboma,
breaks my heart to see you this way. Anytime I see you shed tears, my heart breaks. Please, come with me. Come and stay with me so they won't hurt you anymore.
Dika, you came for me even when I sent you home.
After you told me what Nne said to you, my feelings couldn't shake it off. I couldn't stop thinking about it. And I knew it wasn't a good feeling. So I had to follow you. See, Aboma, you mean so much to me. You're so important to me. And I can't...
Thank you. Thank you for being such a good friend to me.
I love you.
Did you say something?
No, I just said I care about you. And I will protect you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know, you can still come with me. Let's go to my hut.
No. We are not even sure if Nne knows that man was about to do what he did.
This is the problem. Eh? This is the problem. You're always making excuses for them. Why they treat you bad? You need to be careful.
Don't worry, the gods will keep protecting me.
I know, but you still need to be careful. And you trust less too. Stop trusting people too much.
I know they are the only family I know. It's okay, I'll be fine.
You better be. Come, let's go. Let me lead you home. Don't worry, with me, nobody will come to you again. Do you hear?
Sonny, how are you going to pay him back his money? How she didn't do what she was sent to do?
Yeah? Was he not supposed to pin her down and then behave like a man?
But he said her boyfriend ambushed him. It's not his fault, Sonny. Better think of how you will pay him back. Oh. You know that man has a liquid mouth. He will start singing in this village.
I will look for how to pay him back. What will I do? But you see that girl? If you see that girl, she will never go unpunished. I will so deal with that girl.
I don't even know why she's still alive. I saw her when I came in.
Was it not when I wanted to pounce on her? Ekene came from nowhere and defended her. He defended her and shielded her from me. Let me even tell you something. Do you know Ekene bought her something?
True.
And he did not buy anything for us.
Not even one.
I asked him. He said he forgot.
That is it, oh. I always know Dekele have feeling for Aboma. He don't even care about us.
I am noticing it all, but hey, that will never happen. It better not be true. Let it not be true at all. I don't know what Ekene is doing with her.
Nne, please. Let's forget about her for now. Just look for a way and get this money and pay this man. Oh.
Go. I will try. I will pay him.
Nne, when are we going to shop for the festival?
Are you stupid? Are you deaf or something? So you've not been hearing what I'm saying? Did I not tell you that I use the carry to buy seedings for next farming season? And I don't even know how to get money. The carry is back to pay Uzondo. And you are telling me about the festival. I don't have money. Ujuma, I don't have any money.
I will not wear my old wrappers now, Nne. I need new beads and wrappers. All my friends have already gotten their own, Nne. It's even only me.
When you come and plug my eyes and go and sell to make money. Come and plug my eyes. Now you are even bringing your hands close. I know fear. You want to wear new clothes and wait for festival.
come again. Please go outside and meet them.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self.
Thank you. Laughing.
I don't want. Yes. You think you will harm me and go free? Eh? You think so? Useless. You infested poverty. The son of infested poverty, the father.
Ichie, do you know you are shameless? Do you know you are a very shameless man? I'm very sure you have a daughter at home that is the same age with Aboma. Eh?
Oh, you said you have a daughter.
Uh-huh.
You have a daughter and a daughter. Is it the same? Is it the same thing?
Ichie, do you know I'd rather have a poor father with integrity than to have a Obanwa unique like you as a father? It will be a shame. Can't even tell the world who my father is. Obanwa unique, Jabum as old as you are.
You are a raving madman. Yes. Who told you the mother is not aware? Eh? She was the one that sent her to me.
Eh?
Yes, and she told me that is what they do for a living. She now came. Let me ask you, did you see me dragging her? Did you see me?
Hey, Ichie, let me tell you. If that is what that woman told you about Aboma, she has scammed you. She has scammed you. Because the Aboma I know for many years is not that kind of a woman. Aboma is not like that. So I will advise you, if you know where you gave that woman your cowries, go and collect it back.
Useless.
Okay.
You're a useless liar. Yeah, okay. Are you saying this? Is it because you are staying with her? Is it because you are living with her? Eh? Or I can see you are having feelings for her. That is why you are speaking on her behalf. But I want to assure you something. You see, you are going to be the one to fetch firewood on her traditional marriage day. Yes! Because you insulted me.
Ichie, you're so shameless. You are so shameless. I'm very sure you know that the gods does not answer that kind of a prayer. They don't. And instead of you to go and use your shameless face to go and make sacrifice to them and thank them for not allowing me to kill you, to beat you to stupor on that day. And let me warn you, the next time I will see in such acts,
Eh?
Nobody will save you.
Me?
Yes.
Do you know I have a mate like you in my compound? Do you know that?
That makes it easy. It's even better. Ichie, go and call your son. Bring your son and come. Let me tell him the Obanwa unique of a father he has. The Obanwa unique one of a father he has. No, go and call your son. Let me embarrass him.
Hey! Don't worry. You insulting Uzondo. Uzondo more na mother na atu egu. Don't worry, you hear from me.
Ichie, let me tell you, there is nothing you can do. I know you. Everybody in this village knows you. But let me tell you, if anything should happen to me or any member of my family, Ichie, I will open my mouth, this mouth, I will tell the whole community, I will tell the whole village that you are the Obanwa Nike one. I will tell them what you do and what you keep doing. Try me. I will open my mouth and tell them everything. let me just scratch this my skin small, and they say it's from you. You will see. Try me. Iche, try it. Okay. Because I did not want you.
Hey. Obidia can't believe. She sent her daughter to me, knowing fully well that the girl will not cooperate. Don't worry. Obidiamba, no. Obidiamba. You are going to give me back my cows. Bano. Hey! Ozondo. Mwamona mada na tuigu. Hey! Obidiamba, no. Mba!
What is it?
I don't think it's wise for you to join me. Odika is supposed to...
Odika again? Do you love him?
No! Why would you even say something like that? He's just like a friend to me and a brother.
I know. I know. And I know you have a feeling for me. I can feel it. Why are you holding back?
Ekene, I feel this is not right. You're like a brother to me. We grew up under the same roof. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. And for once, I have to verbally say this. Your mother, she doesn't love me. She hates me so much. And even if she agrees to this, I wouldn't want to spend the rest of my life with someone that hates me so much.
Listen, I will protect you. I will stand by you. I will fight for you. I am going to start my own oil business very soon. And I will build us a hut. Build your own kitchen far away from humans. You will not have anything to do with her. Please.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, I swear. Listen. I am going to be my own master very soon. And I will be here, I will protect you, I will make sure no one maltreats you. Please.
Okay, I trust you.
So shall we?
Yes, but...
But what?
Odika is supposed to...
Listen to me, forget about things today. Okay? I am here, I want to spend the day. Oh?
how you people should come out. We are running late for the festival.
I am here.
Is this not new rapper and beat?
Yes,
How did you get them? How many?
the gods provided.
Yeah.
You provided it for me.
It was provided for me.
Yes, sir.
Yay! So we are ready now. Let's start going.
Do not worry yourself. I'll be coming with
Abonye.
Abomman.
What kind of Aboma is that? Has she finished what I asked her to do? She has a lot of chores to do and she will not finish up on time. So
We
let's
already
go.
did. I helped her. She's getting ready. She'll be here soon.
Ready? Nay, she's still sitting down inside there, probably thinking of which of her rags she will wear.
Ifugie, rags. Is it somebody who is wearing rags that will follow you down to the festival? Eh? Look at your sister. Is she not looking beautiful?
She is looking beautiful.
So see, the festival is even the place you find a beautiful maidens to get married. It is time for you to get married, though. No power in Ikago. I don't know what you are doing. We are calling Abomma.
Abomma.
Or the mother. Hey. Hey, whoa.
Aha. Here she is.
Onye na adi ka onye ala. How? Why are you looking this?
Hey.
Where did you get this wrapper and beads from? Eh? So you've been stealing from me?
She has not been stealing from you. No. I bought them for her.
You bought the wrappers for her?
Yes, and the beads.
And the beads too?
Everything.
See, she's even looking more beautiful than me now.
So
tell her to give me those beads.
You are telling me that you bought these wrappers and the beads for her? Eh? Look at me, your mother. I don't have new wrappers. I am wearing my old wrappers to the festival. And look at your sister. If not that the gods intervened, she would have been wearing rags too, or old wrappers. Eh?
No, listen.
So but you went and bought wrappers for this girl.
No, listen. It is not about new wrappers and beads. It is about who is wearing them. Eh? Even if I buy new wrappers and beads for her, it will not still change anything.
Leave him. Why is she holding you? Why is she holding you?
You have plenty wrappers. You have a lot of wrappers. Eh?
Have plenty of wrappers.
Ozugo. At the right time or next time, I'll buy for you. No, please. Let us go.
Let us go where? Biamwa, have you finished the chores I asked you to do? You are going to... She's working out before me.
Are we still going?
You needed to see how everybody was looking at you. They were all looking at you, staring.
Oh, thank you.
You were looking very beautiful. Look at you. Do not worry yourself. I'll buy more wrappers for you, okay? I'll buy more beads too.
Thank you.
Right.
Ekene,
Wait.
I want to talk to you.
I'll be right back. What is it?
What is the meaning of this thing?
Meaning of what?
So, why did you have to buy her new wrappers and beads? Why?
I wanted to give her a good look. I mean,
good look for what?
For the festival.
What kind of festival is that? Did you buy me any? Eh? Did you buy me, your mother, any wrapper and beads? Did you buy for your sister? Eh? So, you did not buy me new wrapper for the festival. You did not even remember to buy your sister anything, but you bought for her mama. Why?
No, you have wrappers. Uju has wrappers.
That is not what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
New one for the festival. See, let me warn you, Ekene. I don't know what you are doing with this girl. Whatever thing you are doing with her mama, I don't like seeing the both of you together because you're coming too close to her and I don't like it.
How can you say that? You know that I am planning to marry her mama. I want to marry her.
Ekene, you want to marry
I
who?
will marry Aboma. Yes.
You want to marry your sister? Is she not your sister?
She's not my sister. How is she my sister? How is Aboma my sister?
Ekene, it is not when you are related by blood that will make that person your sibling. She is your sister because the both of you grew up under the same roof.
No,
I am your mother.
I do not know what you're talking about. Aboma is not my sister and we are not related anywhere.
Ekene, can you not see that Odika is seeking for her hand in marriage? Odika wants to marry because he follows her everywhere she goes to in this village.
Listen to me. I made a promise to my father before he died to always take care of Aboma. I have not been doing it because I am still with my master. But once my master settles me, I will come back and take care of her the way I should. I want to take care of Aboma and make her my wife.
Ekene, you will not marry Aboma.
I will marry her.
Over my dead body, will you marry that girl?
I will marry Aboma whether you like it or not. She is the woman my heart beats for. She's the one I want. Please.
Ekene, has this girl bewitched you?
She has not bewitched me. I know what I am doing. Just appear.
Ekene, you will not marry her.
I will marry her whether
you
like
will
it or
not marry her. Over my dead body, will you marry that girl? But let's watch and see what will happen. Try me and see. Ujumi. Ujumi, what's wrong have I done to you?
No, what is it? What happened?
Ujumi, why? What did I do to you that you want to blackmail me? You want to disgrace me before my friends in this village? What did I do?
No, what happened? What are you talking about?
What are you doing with the chails on there?
No, I don't know what you're talking about though.
So the fourth wife knows exactly what she was talking about when she almost fought me, telling me to warn you to stay away from her husband, that she should stop sleeping with her husband in all the bushes in this village.
That woman is a mad woman. Leave her. Was she not sleeping with him under the tree when he had 3 wives? Before he now married her?
So it's true. Ujungwa, why? Why, Ujungwa? Why? What did I do to deserve all this from you, Ujungwa? Why?
Are you not the one that told me how much that man gave you just to have that stupid girl? That Aboma girl that spoils everything for you. Are you not the one that told me? That man has cowries, Aboma has been working on people's farm to make cowries for herself. I don't have anything to do now, so I have to go and meet him so that he'll be giving me cowries,
How? How?
Why? Calm down. Why haven't you asked yourself why he has not come for his cowries? You know you're supposed to pay him back. It's because of me.
Hey! So, what was meant for Aboma is what you have gone for. What? Ujungwa. And very soon now, this man, Ichie Uzondo, will be going about the village talking rubbish. That is if he has not started.
No. He promised me that he will not tell anybody. He loves me so much. And he even promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? Shut your dirty mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
What is it?
You want to marry an old man?
You
want to disgrace me in this village? You want to marry a man that is old enough? To me? Leave me alone. Let me kill this girl. Let me kill her. Hey!
What is it? What is it? Why are you eating now?
Hey! Malu.
Talk to me. What is it?
Ujungwa, finally
Please stop now. What happened?
Nothing.
And where did you get this cows?
It's none of your business.
Who gave it? Can you talk to me? What?
Just leave me alone.
what happened? Talk to me.
It's just that she'll be going back to work tomorrow. And I feel safe when you're here.
I know. But I have to go back to work, you know. Yes.
I know. I will miss you.
I know you're worried about me, right? Listen, I need you to try as much as you can to avoid her. Please. I'll be coming every day to see you.
Every day?
Yes, I have to.
No, that would be too stressful for you.
But I just need to make sure that you're safe and protected. I will speak to my master. If he lets me, I'll be coming. Okay?
Okay, if you insist.
I miss you too. Come here.
Please, I want to sleep. People should go outside. Don't carry down your stupid love and go outside. I'll come and stop me. Come and stop me for love. Abom, come here. Stand here, stand. Where is Ekene?
Yeah, I saw him leave this morning and I thought he told you.
So he has left.
Yes.
So now that your helper and defender has left, you will do as I say. Everything that I ask you to do, you will do it. Because this girl, you have done a lot. And now your defender is no more here. So I am going to deal with you. All the punishment, you will receive it now. Sit down, sit on the floor. Sit on the bed, don't sit on.
Can I at least drop the
Don't,
fire?
if you try that nonsense, sit with it. Sit with the firewood on your head.
Sit down!
One. Sit like that with the firewood. And if you drop it, I am going to skin you alive today. You will sit there till night. Ngwa. Onye, I don't want to hear anything from you. And if you say anything, I will kill you today. Listen, let me tell you. All the things you've been doing, all the misbehavior, I've been keeping record. I've been keeping the record of all of them. Even the one you did at Iche was on this farm. All those rubbish should be displaying. I have the records and I am going to punish you for all of them today. Nobody will defend you. And you will do exactly as I say. Sit properly! Come on, sit properly. Carry that in very well. Carry it. Stop looking at me. Look straight. Look straight. And don't shake. Don't even move your body. I am talking to you. I'm carrying it. Say it well. Shh. Michon, shut up. Say it well. Odika. I've been calling you. You've been scarce these days. Huh?
Okay. I'm fine.
It's been a while I saw you.
Where and how did you look for me?
Why are you sounding so angry? Ogini.
Woma, you told me you don't want us to be working together anymore in the village because people think we are betrothed.
Yes, we are just friends.
I want to ask you, am I not worthy to be your betrothed? Am I not deserving enough? Why do you have to explain everything to people? You make me feel worthless, Aboma.
Dika, I do not understand. Why are you sounding this way? Did I do anything wrong?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? I came to your compound the other day to go to the festival with you. Only to see you with Ekene, holding hands.
I didn't know you were coming.
Really? Do I have to remind you that I will come and wait for you? You know I always come and wait for you while we will take care of your workload together. Before going to the festival. We do this all the time, Aboma.
I know, I'm sorry, I must have forgotten.
Since Ekene came back this last time, I think you'll be forgetting a lot of things. Yes, you also forget the fact that I follow you to the farm to go and finish your workload in the farm. You've forgotten everything we do together.
I'm really, really sorry. Look, a lot has happened lately and I have so much to tell you. I've missed you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Aboma, I have a lot of things to take care of.
Why are you sounding like...
Please, leave me alone.
Why is he so upset? I've never seen him this angry. Is he trying to avoid giving me this bushmeat?
Chimo! Uju! Is that not a man running away from here? Man, kwa. It's an antelope. Antelope. Uju, so you're in a bush with a man. What are you trying to say? Eh? You, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? I came to fetch firewood. Uju, you, what are you doing here?
I came to check my traps.
So you are now a hunter? Uju?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I better get that from here, Biko. Must you know everything I do?
So bad there.
No problem. No problem. Let me fetch the firewood I came to fetch. In the bush with the man. Huh? Hey! Oh.
So, if I send you on an errand now, you use the opportunity to follow me.
Who said that?
What do you mean, who said that? Eh? Oh, you think the man that you did it with will not come and report to me? Eh? Were you thinking it's Uju that reported you? The man you had it with came by himself to report to me because he already saw that Uju caught you. So he came to plead on your behalf so that I will not punish you.
It's Uju that I found the
What did you do? Stop it, what did you not do?
I didn't do anything.
Foolish girl. Anumpama.
She did not come to apologize to me about what I told her. She left me. Or was I hard on her? Maybe I was too harsh on her. Should I apologize to her? But Aboma hurts me. Why am I the one feeling bad? But she's going through so much pain in the hands of that woman. I'm the only friend and support she has. But she forgot all that and forgot about me. She only warmed up to me because Ekene has gone back. I saw them at everywhere smiling and holding hands. A man who watched his mother hurt you again and again. I will have to apologize to her when I see her. No, I will not do that. I will stand my ground and be a man. Odika, pick your fight. Are you avoiding her or talking to her? Oh, I love Aboma, but why can't she see it? I am scared of telling her. I don't know what her reaction will be, and I don't want to lose her or our friendship. I don't want her to misunderstand my feelings or look selfish for my interest. What should I do? What should I do, Odika?
What are you pleading for? I should just open my eyes and watch you marry my son. Is that what you want? It will not work for you. Okwin Anuya, you will never have anything to do with my son. What did I say? Eh?
I will never have anything to do.
That is it, and that is how it will be. Tell him that you are not interested. If you see my son, avoid him like a snake. You see the way you see a snake and you run away. That is how, if you see my son, you flee. Yes. Run away. Do you understand? Because if I catch you close to my son, or I catch you standing up and down or locking up and down in this compound, I will strangle your neck. Hey, do you understand what I'm saying? You are not wanted in my family. I said what?
I'm not wanted in your family.
Good! You are not wanted.
No matter how you try, you will not be loved.
Eh?
See your face.
Will you get out? Get out and leave this place. Get out! Foolish girl. What did I ever do to this girl, Bikono, that she will not let me drink water and keep cup in my house? Can you do what here? Of all the young men in this village, it's not my son. I can never for the one. Hey, now, I've been meaning to ask you. You see, ever since I've known Aboma, I've always been seeing the two of you together. So, I want to know what is still keeping you.
Keeping me from what?
From coming to pay her bride price, you know.
No, I don't understand though. What is your business with me and Aboma? I'm paying that.
I am only looking out for you. I'm on your side. Because I don't want anybody to snatch her away from you. Because you have always been by her side, trying to help her and do things. But I hardly see you people now. That is why I said, let me ask, what is the problem? Because I want to see your relationship with her to grow higher. I don't want any separation.
No. Are you tired of maltreating her? And now you want to throw her away from your heart?
What are you talking about? Me? Have I ever maltreated her? She's like a daughter to me. So what are you saying? All the things that I've been doing to her, I'm trying to train her well. So that, yes, train her well for you. You know, you come from a very poor and wretched family. You don't have money. So if I train this girl well now, she can walk from morning till night in the farm, and she will come back home, cook, do other house chores. I'm grooming her for you.
No, wait. You said I came from a very wretched family. Ah.
Why are you making it sound like it's an insult?
Okay.
Eh?
I'm only saying that I think you groomed the wrong person.
It is not an insult.
No,
it is not an insult. I know you don't even have money. Come to me. I am ready. I will give you cowries for you to marry her. Just keep her. Okay. If you marry her, it's your gain. Yeah?
They even want to bribe me with cowries.
I will give you money. In fact, I will help you force her. I will talk to her. Talk to her and make sure that she agrees to marry you. You know that by now, you are not even grateful.
But
I thought by now you'd be very happy.
If you ask me, I think you groomed the wrong person. No? Yes. While you were busy grooming Aboma, your daughter Ujunwa was busy depositing it in the village, sharing it to everybody that cares to collect. As I'm talking to you now, if you are going to give an award or title in the village, Ujunwa, your daughter, will be given an award of best giver. Ujunwa is the best Kezaya in this village. Let me tell you, every tree you see in this village knows what Ujunwa's necklace looks like. Even the old, the young, the upcoming, everybody has tested Ujunwa. At this point, I'm very sure Ujunwa is testless. So because I am trying to help you now, you now have the audacity to start lying against my daughter Ujunwa. I'm not lying, no. I'm not lying. Just go and call the tank crier to knock. Go. I'm asking people questions. If you've not collected from Ujunwa in this village, that you don't want to collect. Ujunwa is the champion of giving. Go away. Look at the word Kezaya. That I'm trying to help. You are here talking nonsense. Go and help Ujunwa. Because I'm trying to help you. Go and help Ujunwa. But leave us alone. Let me be ungrateful. Let me remain ungrateful. Then Ujunwa want to be grateful and be grateful to everybody. Please go. Stop talking to me. Stop talking ill of my daughter. Nonsense. Don't forget to greet Uju for me. If she comes out from Iche's on this place, because I'm very sure that's where she went to. At the farm. The farm is her favorite place. Wicked and useless woman. You want to come and talk about Aboma? See, think I don't know you. I got the Ekwenta. Like mother, like daughter. Like mother, like daughter.
Hey! Okokporo ndị nwunye m eje ego n'ugbo ụlọ nke a nala ehiche. Tell the girls I met you at home. I have come to warn you to stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my child and stop spoiling her name in this community. Ogini! Who's your daughter? The one you said to me that the lover almost killed me in the forest because of something I know nothing of. Ichie, the one I sent to you is not my daughter. Hey! Leave my daughter alone! Why are you angry? You sent that one to me. She could not perform. The second one came and performed well. And I settled her. So why are you shouting? And let me warn you. See, the cowries I gave to you, you have refused to return them. So I think we're going to use that one to balance our business. Chalo, you want to use my daughter as a balance? You want to use my daughter as your balance, Ichie? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A daughter who is old enough to be your child. Okay, you know that she's old enough to be my child. And you sent that to me and collected cowries on her behalf. Obidia. So you're not into child trafficking. Which one are you calling a child? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Which one are you calling a child? I paid her. I used to give your daughter enough cowries to take care of herself. Yes! Because she performed better than the one you brought to me. Ichie, Uzondo, I will not warn you again. Stay away from my child. Stay away from my daughter. If not, I am going to shout and these villagers will come. You are going to shout, eh? You tell the whole Umuaku. I will tell them. Umuaku! No, let's stop. Let us shout now.
Shut up!
Let us shout. You are not ashamed of yourself. Yes. Since you are not ashamed of yourself that you are using your children for trafficking. Eh? You told me that is what you do. You give out your daughters to people to go and enjoy and give you cowries. Eh? I will tell the whole of Omwako. Yes, that is what you are doing. You come there to shout in my house. Let me warn you.
Bring down your voice and let us settle.
No! You are lucky. You are lucky that my wife are not around. Oh, especially my fourth wife. She will have devoured you like a butter. Say, come on, see my process up. I'm not fear.
Madman.
Cowries, come and collect more cowries. Send me the two of them. I have the strength to handle the two of them.
Because of our land will disgrace you.
Whoa, it will disgrace you. Send me the two of them and give them cowries and enjoy them. I have the cowries. Look at this woman, oh. If you are here after giving you enough cowries, you come here to make noise. You are lucky my fourth wife is not around. Oh.
Listen to me, I will not let you be, I will not let you rest until you speak to me. What is it? Huh? Kidihio, talk to me.
Kenene want me. She said I should avoid you like a snake. That if I don't, she will punish me severely. And I don't want any trouble. I don't want any problem with her.
Is this why you have been avoiding me since I came back? Because of what Nne said?
Yes. And Ujunwa also said something to me and she's right. She said I would never be loved. And that's true. No matter how hard I try, that this family would never love me. Why would I want to get married into a family that hates me so much?
But I love you.
I know, I love you too, but Nne doesn't approve of this. So please, let's forget about these feelings. It can't work.
I understand. But by the time Nne realizes that you are my only choice, she will have no choice than to accept.
Ekene, we need her blessings for this union to work. And you know she wouldn't give it to us.
I don't care about Nne.
I'm scared. I don't want any problems.
Nothing will happen. Let us just wait till then. Oh? Let us wait.
No.
It is fine. Let me help you. Let me help you.
Somebody might see us.
Do not bother yourself.
I
want to help.
It's okay, it's okay. It's fine. Nine. I'm tired of this hide and seek game. Eh? You have enough yams in your barn. You have the carrots. Why not marry me?
Would you? I would have loved to marry you. Eh? I would have loved to marry you and send those my four wives away.
So why are you not doing that? Eh, look at me now. I am young. Eh, I'll bear you more children.
You see, my problem is my fourth wife. That woman, She's a problem. Eh? She will not allow you to enter her house.
Nani, are you saying that you are scared of her?
Me? Mwa, scared of who? Hey, Mbano! Mwa! Uzondo! Mwa na mwa na togu! How can I be afraid of a woman who bends to urinate? Eh? The whole thing is, I don't want them to insult you. Eh? I don't want, she's a very troublesome woman. I don't want her to attack you. I don't want her to fight with you. I'm trying to protect you so that you will not have issue with her when you enter my compound.
Nine. See, I left suitors that were coming from my hand in marriage. Because I like you. See, I'm strong. I will protect myself. Just marry me.
Did I hear you say you left suitors because of me?
Yes, now.
Because you see, yes, I think I've heard from so many boys in this community the way you give it to them in the bush. Yes, I've heard from them the way you give them to them in the bush, and I believe that no other person can marry in this village except me.
No, what's the meaning of this now?
No, it's only I'm only telling you what I heard.
So you're not listening to gossip, right?
No, how will I listen to them? If I listen to gossip, I won't ask you. It's because I don't believe them. That is why I'm asking you.
Why will you listen to them in the first place?
Ujuma, look, let's forget about this. Let's forget this about this argument. Let's go inside and complete what we came for. We have a reason of coming here. So let's go and compliment the reason.
Sinai, this will be the last time you will be doing this here. If you're not ready to take me to your hut and introduce me as your new wife, you will not see me again.
Hey! Ujuma, ezigbo nwa, nwa mara mma, ukwu pere pere. Ukwe ibugobo. No problem. Okay, pam.
Ego.
The car is.
Yes, give me money first.
Go inside.
Give me money first.
No, I have we get.
Yeah.
It's gonna go for it. Okay, man, come, guy, man, Wembo. Okay, then. Assume we. Hey.
There is no way this woman will not repeat her mother's circle. Always taking things from people. This is exactly what her mother did to me. She is just like her mother. She will have her own husband, and another woman's husband will be loving her. Why will all the good things come to her? Why not my daughter? All the young men in this village wants her hand in marriage, including my son. Or the guy is there, trying to strangle himself on her. Why? And my daughter is just here, wasting. Very soon now, she will turn to Nagano. Nobody is seeking for her hand in marriage. No, I will not keep quiet. I will not watch her take all the good things alone to herself. So that that thing that happened to her mother will not come and happen to me. I must look for a way to end her. Yes. I must end her. Aboma!
Andy, you call me.
I want you to go to your home and get me water.
Nee, but I filled all the pots with water yesterday. That will last us for days.
Is it from Iyohu?
No, Nee.
Pick the pot, go to the stream and get me water. That is the water I want to drink. I want to drink from Iyohu River. Go there.
But Nee, please, I can't go to the stream today. I'm not here.
Chelo. Oh, you are now challenging me. So I will tell you what to do. You will not do it. Instead, you will tell me what you want to do. Okuya? So you've now grown wings in my house.
No, Nee. I can't go to the stream today. I'm on my...
I don't care what you are on. I don't care. I don't want to know. All I know is that I want to drink from Iyonhu, and that is what you get for me. So pick this pot now. Go to the stream and fetch me water. Nanya, if you know what is good for you, go there and get me water. And if you don't get it, better don't come back to this house. You come from there and go to an exile. In fact, hang in the bush, stay in the forest. I don't care. Pama.
Let me go to...
Get away from here. Only believe. Let me see how you go to your and come back safe.
Odika, thank the gods I met you here. I was rushing to your hut.
Please.
I need your help.
I'm busy. I can't. I'm busy.
Odika, please, hold on. Why are you treating me this way? What's going on?
Are you asking me that? You always come to me when you need me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this later? See, my nne asked me to...
I don't care what your nne said. I don't care. Please, leave my part. Leave my part.
Odika, please. Oh, what am I going to do? How will I do? I can't do it. I need help. Oh. Hey, what will I do now? What will I do?
What do you want me to do for you? And why are you crying?
I'm on my own soul. And Nne wants me to go to the stream and fetch water. And you know it's forbidden for any maiden to go to the stream when she's on her own soul. So please, I need help. I can't go.
I'll help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have to go.
Dika, wait. What's going on? Why are you treating me this way? Well, you've been so cold. What's going on? Why are you avoiding me? What did I do?
Me avoid you? Aboma, you've been the one avoiding me. You always come to me when you need me. Aboma, can't you see I'm in love with you?
What?
Can you swear by the gods that you don't know I love you?
Dika, I swear by the gods. I never knew you were in love with me. I thought you loved me like a sister.
Aboma, I'm not your brother. Ekene should be the one to love you like a sister. Eh? You grew up in the same hut, so it's not me. I don't love you like a sister.
But I love Ekene. And you know he's not my brother.
So you never felt anything for me? You look me into my eyes and you tell me you don't love me. It's fine.
Dika, please. Please don't do this, I beg you. Let's talk about this, please. I beg you. Please don't do this. Odika.
Did you wash the plate I asked you to wash today?
Mommy, I can't wash that pot. Anyway, I can't wash the pot.
You don't want to wash.
Chimo. Hey. How did you get the water? Eh?
I'm back with the water from you.
Why did you shout like that? Because Aboma went to the stream.
Should I get you something to drink?
Just keep it over there. I will drink it later.
Okay.
No, Guinea.
Shamelessly lying down with him. Nanyaba, I never wanted you to see this, so because I know you will not believe. But look at where she's lying down.
What happened there?
I don't know.
Who are you asking? Didn't you come with? Wake her up.
Aboma.
No.
What are you doing?
What happened here?
Onya Konaji, what do you mean? What's going on here? Eh?
What are you doing here?
I came to work and then I don't know. I can't.
Shut up! Oh, shut up! What do you mean you came to work? Is this where they work? Eh? Oh, you are not denying the man after all he has done for you. So, in fact, I know that you have been sleeping with this man. I know, but what I do not know is that you even sleep till daybreak. You sleep over. Eh? So this is what you do, Mwa. Eh? No.
Wait. Is this not the new beads I sent to you? You wore it to see a man?
Another man.
Huh? You wore my beads to see another man?
No, believe me, I don't know what happened here.
Hey.
Believe me, I swear, I don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened where? This is that we caught you doing and you are denying. Yeah? Okay, wake up. Wake up, she's denying you. Wake up, come and speak for yourself. After what you did for her, she's not denying you. It's your Zondo.
Hey, he's not even moving, no. Aboma has poisoned this man. Hey!
What did you do to him?
I didn't do anything in there. I don't know what happened.
Hey! He's not breathing.
It's not breathing.
Hey!
People in Aboma could come on!
You killed him!
Aboma has killed somebody! I didn't do anything. I promise I didn't do anything.
At this point,
wake him up!
Wake him!
What have you done?
I didn't do anything.
You did not do what?
I didn't do anything.
What did you not do? I met you here. I met you just beside him.
I don't know what.
Shut up! Why you stop denying? Stop denying! One guy to fear.
After everything, I loved you and you knew it.
Oh!
Here I am.
Marry who? Devil! Hey, killer!
I can't believe me. I don't know what happened. I don't know what.
You are still lying. You are still lying. This girl. I told you that this girl is not a good person. I told you she's not good. You've seen it for yourself now. Listen.
I have nothing to say here. Okay? They will come here, take you to the Igwe. Igwe will be the one to decide.
Yes.
There is nothing I can do.
Yes. I beg you, I didn't do anything.
Okay, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? You came to work. Where are your tools? Where are you working to? Just tell me.
I don't know what.
You are working to stop denying. Onyala, stop denying. You are a liar. Is this not the rapper my son bought for you? Is this not the rapper? Eh? Okay. Look at the way you're looking beautiful.
Even the bead, I sent you a bead.
Is this the way you dress to walk?
Mom, ask her again.
You wore it to see a man. You wore new beat to see
Another man.
No, I never had the beat. Mama Nuju did.
Stop calling Mama Anuju!
Don't call my name.
Call Mama Anuju. What is it? Eh? This is the record he bought for you and you are still denying. Or see Mama Anuju. Every time.
People of Mama.
Call them.
Don't let them take me. I didn't do
How
this.
do I face my uncles?
You know, it's a shame Aboma chose you.
Odeka, please. Please, not now. I know you love Aboma. I love her too. And I still do. Given to the circumstances, you think I'm happy that she has been condemned to death because she killed Ozondo. Thinking of it now. Wait. I know that you and Ozondo were sleeping with Aboma. Were you?
Okay, you're a fool. Don't ever speak low of Aboma like that. I've always known you never loved Aboma. If you do, you would have gone out to find out the truth. Rather, I did. If you know Aboma and love Aboma so much, you will know Aboma never slept with Ichie Ozondo. The same Ichie Ozondo that your mother sent her to go and sleep with. When she refused, the man nearly raped her before I came into the scene to protect her. The same protection you failed to give her in your house, you watch your mother and your sister maltreat her.
I protected her the best I could.
Okay, there's not enough. You don't protect Aboma enough. Since that girl came into your compound, it's been pains, tears and sorrows. Come to think of it, I don't even know why your mother hates that girl so much. She went as far as joining me and bribing me with calories just to marry her so she can go out of the way. Your mother knew that Aboma was in her unso and your mother sent her to the stream. Knowing fully well Aboma will be there alone. But guess what? I still came to help her. I know Aboma is innocent. Your mother might be happy now, but I'll give justice to Aboma. I've come out to find out the truth. And very soon, the truth will come out.
Odeka, what are you saying? You're saying a lot that I am finding very difficult to catch up right now. Yes, I know my mother never loved Aboma or our relationship. But to this extent...
Okay then, you failed Aboma. And according to my informant, your mother and your sister were seen in the farm changing Aboma's clothes to the clothes she was found in the same day. This is why I went out of my way to find out the truth. Because I couldn't sleep knowing that Aboma was innocent and she's been detained.
You mean Aboma is in the palace cell suffering for what she did not do?
Yes. And this is why I confided in the king that made him secretly contact the seer. As I speak to you right now, the seer is in the palace. That's where I'm going to find out the truth. Let me go and hear the whole truth from the seer.
I honestly am confused. In fact, I was confused. I tried to help. I wanted to help. If not for anything, but for the promise I made to my father on his dying day to always protect Aboma. Wait. Okay. Can I join you to the palace to...
If you wish, let's go.
But listen, if you are sure that Aboma...
Hey. Ojo! Ojo!
Mama!
So you have not thought it wise to sweep this compound? Eh? Did you even make any food for us to eat?
Nne, please. Leave me alone, eh? I'm still mourning Ichie Uzondo.
Ara na agba. Mourning Ichie Uzondo as what? As his wife? Eh?
Nne, I'm almost at the edge of being his wife. Eh? He has accepted to come and pay my bride price. By now, I would have been in his hut, being served, not being asked to come and sweep. Please allow me more him
you
now.
You are a very stupid child. Anumpama. Eh? Look at the beautiful maiden that I give birth to. Eh? The only thing you think of in this village is to jump up and down and sleep around with men. You even slept with Ichie Uzondo, who is old enough to be your father. Eh? Do you even know he's older than your father?
Yeah, so, Mama, if my father cared, why did he die? Eh? It's not poverty that killed him. Please, allow me mourn him in peace, so.
You are a shameless girl. Shameless girl. You don't have sense. Eh?
Leave me alone.
What kind of maiden are you in this village? What you do is to hop about and sleep with people. Sleep with people's husbands.
I don't even know how to sweep.
Very useless. You don't know how to sweep. Tofia Akwari. Come on, go and look for something good to do with your life. You are mourning an old man, only Iberibe. An old man that is old enough to be your father.
Don't
allow me.
So you were the one sleeping with Uzondo, right? I need an explanation to why you had to involve Aboma. Can you explain to me?
So they've released her?
Yes.
I thought she would die there for killing Ichie Uzondo. Yes. She came back. Hey.
Can you explain to me?
It wasn't my fault. Oh. It wasn't Nate that sent her. Oh. It wasn't Nate's idea. Ichie Uzondo was about coming to pay my bride price. I don't kill him. Oh. I don't kill him.
Uju, I have told my wife that I am bringing in another wife. Yeah? Do you know these few days? Yeah? These few days I have not seen you. Chai! Look, I am restless. I don't mean everything about me but be vibrating. Yeah?
It's a lie. I know you are saying all these things just to have your way. You see, I'm not doing anything with you again until you marry me.
If it is marriage, Uju, I will. I promise to marry you. Look, all my wives, none of them can satisfy me the way you are satisfying me. It is a man, the way you satisfy me as if I am a baby, the way you handle me, take on me. Eh? Look, I promise you, it's a marriage. I must marry you. Must oh.
And you will not listen to gossip again that I'm sleeping around in the bush.
Who says so?
It's not what you said. Have you forgotten?
Me.
It's not what you said.
You know what? Okay. To assure you, I'm going to marry you. From here, I am taking you straight to my heart.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
So, you're telling me now, I should go and tell my kinsman that you're coming?
Bam! I am coming. Look, 2 days time I will be in your house.
It's going to be your wife.
And it's permanent. In him, take it.
Let's, you know what? Let me go and circle of nature.
I'll be right back. Just don't worry. As you are going there, let me prepare the ground.
Just get ready. I'm coming.
When you just come, even if I'm sleeping, climb on top of me.
I'm coming. Just ready.
Even if I'm sleeping, just start on top of me.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hey.
My chair. Are you sleeping? Ichie! Hey! Ichie Amkwala. Hey! Ichie! Ichi, I'm here now. Hey, Chimo. Chimo.
Again. Eh? Ujunwa, why are you crying?
I was with Ichi Ozondo.
Iche Uzondo again.
Yes, and
Eh? Have I not warned you to stay away from that man? What are you doing? What did he do to you?
I was with him and I just went out to ease myself and I came back. I saw him dead.
This again.
He's dead.
Iche Uzondo? Dead?
Yes.
How?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. I came back. I saw him lying dead there.
Ujunwa, you have succeeded in putting me to shame.
Not kill him.
What are you doing now?
What are we going
Shut up! Let me think, because Ichon. Hey! This girl have succeeded in putting me to shame.
Think fast. No.
Bia, where are you going?
I'm going to clean Nedozier's farm.
Mba, you will not go to that her farm today. Oh, you will go to Ichie Uzondo's farm. He paid before her. Go. And please stop squeezing your face when I'm talking to you.
I don't want to go there and stay with that man alone.
Which man? Is it the man that went to his maternal village? He told me he'll be going there, so he's not around. Go to his farm and clear it very well. He said he doesn't want to come back and meet his farm not cleared though. Go there.
How are you sure he's not lying?
If you don't shut up there, I will use this and break your head. I'm talking to you, saying nonsense. Because go there and do what I asked you to do.
If I go there and meet him, I'll come back.
Fine. If you get to the farm and he's there, come back. I will go with you. Go.
Thank you.
Just go.
Why are you sending her there?
Is it that you don't have sense? You don't have sense at all. You don't know that as I'm sending her there now, she will go there and it will look like she's the one that killed him. Everything will just fall on her. Go inside, go and get that Rabbi Kene bought for her and the bead. If we get there, we'll just adore her with the cloth and the bead and make her look like she's going to see her lover and not the farm. That is, people will believe her.
Hi! Now I'm coming.
Run. Be fast so that we will meet her. This girl will not put me into trouble.
Okay. I need you to explain to me. Say it.
Nne! Uju!
Right. Continue.
We saw her going close to the corpse. Then we now hit her on her head and she slumped. Nne said that we should put a little sleeping herbs in her mouth so that she will not wake up till someone find them there. We now change her outfit and lay her beside Ichie Uzondo. Then we now place a keg of palm wine there. Nne said that we will tell people that she was begging Ichie Uzondo to marry her and he refused. That's why she poisoned him. We came back to the house waiting for someone to come and tell us what happened, but you came back instead. Nne said that we should take you there to go and say things by yourself. That's what happened.
What did I ever do to deserve this? I've loved you both like my family. Every day I pray to the gods that one day they will melt your heart towards me. But what did you do? Every day your hatred for me increases. Every day you curse my mother and I. Why do you hate her that much?
Your mother is a very wicked woman. She made me look like I'm not important in my marriage. Why? When we were younger, my husband loved her instead. Even when he knew that your father was courting her. I don't know what to do to get my husband back. I decided to get pregnant to see if he will marry me and forget about her. But no! The love continued. She goes about everywhere, directing him and commanding him, telling him to sit, stand, do whatever, leaving me behind. Why would that happen? And when your both parents died, you came into this compound. He extended the love to you, leaving my daughter Uju behind. What did we do? You came, you took over my husband, you took over my family. Just you! You alone, everybody is loving you. 2 men loved you. Otika loved you. Ekene also loved you. Everybody in this village loved you. Why? Nobody has ever come to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage. Just you. To worsen everything. Ekene came back and told me he wants to marry you. That he was even getting ready to go and call the king's men to come and seek for your hand in marriage. I was never happy. I looked for a way to bring you down. And then Ujunwa came crying. She told me what happened to Iche Uzondo. And I saw an avenue to bring you down, to frame his death on you. That was why we did what we did. I wanted to take her away from the family. I wanted to keep her away out of my family. I don't like her.
Do not come close to me. You are evil.
I'm sorry.
I am disappointed. How could you? Eh? How could you do this? You failed. You failed. And thanks to the gods that outside this family, there was another family. Odika stood by her. He never let his emotions get him, just like mine. He did everything possible to uncover the truth. And he succeeded. I am disappointed.
Please, I don't kill Iche Uzondo. I didn't. Serious. He was about coming to pay my bride price. Why would I kill him?
Mama, this is pure jealousy.
He was killed by his fourth wife. She confessed after she took the oath of the seer.
Hey.
She killed him after she found out he wanted to marry you. So to stop him, she had to kill him.
He warned me about how evil that woman is.
Juma, that man was old enough to be your father. Today I found out that you have been going about sleeping with all the men in this kingdom. How do I face my friends? How do I brag about my sister? I am disappointed in you.
My son, because forgive.
Do not come close to me, Nne. Do not come close to me. Kaboma. I am sorry. Okay? I disappointed you. I failed you. I was supposed to fight and I was supposed to believe you. Listen, I left to tell my master that I was getting married. I even told my mother that I was going to marry you. I guess that was why she went this far to get rid of you. But believe me when I say that I'm deeply sorry. I am back now. I am ready to pay your bride price and I will take you to my master. He has asked me to come and take over his business. His wife just gave birth to their first child. And my master is getting old. He wants me to come and take over the business. I'll take you there. We'll be far away from them. Okay? Listen.
Ekene, stop.
I love you. I love you from the depth of my heart. I cannot afford to lose you. Please.
Ekene, you didn't love me enough to believe me. Even when I cried out to you for help.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ekene, I love you, but no.
Please.
Leave me alone. You've always been a good friend to me. You've always wanted me to come stay with you. But I kept on making excuses for them. But this is the height of it. I can't stay here anymore. I'm coming with you.
Please. Odika.
Aboma,
Odika.
I know you love Ekene. I've come to accept the fact we can just be friends. Your heart belongs to him. And I'll always be your friend. Don't let them spoil your happiness. Don't let them take away your happiness this time. Follow your heart, and I'll always be your friend.
My son,
Mama, Hapumaka!